Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from MEXC to your Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the MEXC account and Trust Wallet installed on your device. If you don't, download Trust Wallet from your App Store and sign up for MEXC if needed. This process is simple, but always double-check your accounts for security. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the USDT token. It's usually under the main dashboard or search bar. Once you find it, tap on it to view your wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully because you'll need it next. Pro tip. Make sure you're using the correct network for USDT, like TRC20 or ERC20, to avoid any transfer issues. Now, head over to the MEXC website or app and log in to your account. Once you're in, go to the Wallets or Assets section and find your USDT balance. Look for the Withdraw button next to it. This is where the magic happens. In the withdrawal page, select USDT as the asset. Then, choose the same network you noted from Trust Wallet. Matching networks is crucial to prevent your funds from getting lost. Paste the wallet address you copied earlier into the designated field, and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary, so aim for the most cost-effective option. After that, hit the Withdraw or Confirm button. You'll likely need to go through a verification process, like entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Finally, jump back to your Trust Wallet and refresh the USDT balance. You should see your funds arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and double-check everything. And remember, always transfer a small test amount first if you're unsure. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred USDT from MEXC to Trust Wallet. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.